Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this one, I'm going to do the unboxing of the Nothing Phone 1, which is a open box model. Yes friends, recently one of my subscriber did contact me regarding selling of his Nothing Phone 1. So finally I got the Nothing Phone 1, and very soon the Flipkart Big Billion Days are also gonna start on this device, which cost around 28,999 rupees. So I bought this device for about 24,000. So this is a very good deal, I would definitely say that. So I thought of testing this Nothing Phone 1 in upcoming videos, so which might be really helpful for my subscribers so who are thinking of buying during the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale. So that's the main reason of me buying this device right now at this moment. And overall the complete phone looks pretty good, and no damage and no scratches, nothing at all on this device. So this was the main reason of me buying this device at this moment, because of the Big Billion Day sale. And I got for a pretty less price, I can definitely say that, but which looks completely in very good condition. So definitely friends, let me know in the comments what are other videos you want me to upload on this Nothing Phone 1 device regarding the performance testing or comparison testing with other smartphones. And in case if you have doubts like green tint issues and black color crush issue and touch sampling rate test, all the tests I'll try to definitely upload on this Nothing Phone 1 device very soon. And trying to check for the any kind of scratches or anything, nothing scratches, I cannot find any kind of those things on this device, but which looks completely good. So which is a 8 GB and 128 GB variant, which I'm trying to use in this video. And even in the beginning also I thought of buying this device, but slightly kind of price is expensive, that's the reason I didn't buy this device. But right now for this kind of deal, I can definitely say maybe you should think during the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale. But give me some time, I will definitely test this Nothing Phone 1 meanwhile, maybe the next couple of days. And during the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale, even I will try to come to the complete conclusion about the battery life and about the performance and testings. And finally the setup has been finished, and which looks completely good and smooth. Overall the initial impressions were pretty good on this Nothing Phone 1. The build quality, which looks really very good, the build quality and everything of this device. And let me know in the comments friends what are the videos you want me to upload. And this phone I did buy in the second hand for about 24,000 rupees, and for that price it's really good deal. And meanwhile signing off until instead of more updates, and bye. And even thanks to my subscriber who did sell the device for me, so which will be definitely useful for me as well to make a lot of videos on this particular device. And this is the latest version which is running right now in this Nothing Phone 1. You can clearly see that Snapdragon 778G plus chipset in this present, 8 GB RAM version as well. So let me know in the comment section below friends, I'm really excited to test out this device. So meanwhile signing off until then, bye.